morning. See her on the back of your motorcycle. Woo! Finally made it.
Welcome to Bert's Barracuda, where only real bikers are allowed. Can only be a Harley. But walking around, all you see is happy people, including this child. And you know, that's all it really takes to be a biker. Be happy with what you do and ride the bikes you enjoy. And also get some free food and drinks out of it if you can.
Go for it.
You ready?
Yeah, go for
What
it.
we're doing here is we're doing handprints for the troops. What I'm trying to do is I'm a Christian missionary. I'm traveling across the nation trying to get festivals and parades and towns to set them up at events like this and invite youth groups down or people to come down and run them. But before they come down to run them, get someplace around the world where people are suffering. Maybe an earthquake over in Italy. Maybe there's a tornado that went through a town in America. A policeman got killed. A mayor died. Somewhere in the world, people are suffering. We need to have America's imagination reach out and touch them without the filter of the media. This is us with our hands saying, here, we want to lift you up. We want to give you something special. We want to give you hope.
Yeah, man. What's your name again?
My name's Paul.
Paul.
I'll
Nice
give you
to
one of my
meet you.
cards.
And what's the name? Hands for our beloved troops?
Yeah, it's Paul, P-A-U-L, Wislotski, W-I-S-L-O-T-S-K-I. And if
Perfect.
you Google it, you'll see some amazing stuff.
Awesome.
This is what we did around America. Check these out.
Oh, man. These look good.
Wow, that's the best thing an artist could hear.
These look real good.
No, do a camouflage, sir. I know you know how to do a camouflage. Give me a little camouflage up in there, okay? I don't know about that. Yes, you
Here for a good cause, go help them out, guys.
And we are ending our time here at Bert's Barracuda. I just want to give a huge shout out to Bert's Barracuda for being able to host this event. I love seeing the amount of bikers here. I love seeing all the vendors that came here. I got to meet some really cool people. Got to talk to a lot of really cool people. Got to talk to Bert himself. Amazing guy, really cool people. Make sure you come on down here and hook up with them if you're in the area. They are always doing something and they always have amazing bikes out for sale. Tell them Fat Boy Bob sent you. I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.